We all know saving money is important, but figuring out how to save for your personal goals isn't always clear. With Chime's high yield savings account, all of that changes. Hey, I'm Rachel, and I've been a Chime member since 2022. Today, we're going to talk all things savings so you can grow your money even faster. A high yield savings account at Chime helps you easily step up your savings game, starting with any amount and without paying fees or requiring a minimum balance. All Chime members already get a 1.25% APY on their savings, but here's where it gets exciting. When you set up a qualifying direct deposit and unlock Chime Plus, you'll have access to an APY percentage that's at least 2 times higher at 3.75%. That's 9 times the national average, meaning you collect more interest on the money you save and earn, all while you sleep. Talk about a plus up. Now, let's talk about the personal why of mastering your savings. What do you want to do with your money? Save $50 a month to start building your emergency fund? Or is it time to save up for that dream vacation? Savings are personal, and Chime helps you track your progress, turn small habits into big goals, and make saving that much more intuitive. Let's get into it. First, make sure you've enrolled in a savings account in the Chime app. Then, add money. Tap Savings from the home screen. Select Add Money and add the amount you want to transfer or add to your account. And by the way, transferring money between your Chime accounts is instant. The best way to kickstart your goals is to set aside a little money on a regular basis. Let me walk you through it. Open your savings account. Hit the plus sign to set a new goal. We'll even suggest a few to get you going. Give your goal a name and set your target amount. Move some money into your account. Select where the money is coming from, and you're all set. Have more goals? You can create as many as you want, and it's totally up to you how much and how often you add to them. Next, put your savings on autopilot with 2 tools, Roundups and Save with Every Direct Deposit. First, we've got Roundups. This feature automatically rounds up every purchase you make to the next dollar, then moves the difference to your savings account. Think of it as your digital piggy bank. You always keep the change. To turn on Roundups, from your savings account, tap on Autosave, select Roundup Purchases, and then choose your card. You can also save with every deposit, transferring any percentage of your paycheck into savings every time you get paid. From your savings account, tap Autosave, select Paycheck, then choose how you want to split your pay between your accounts. You can adjust this at any time. I mean, who doesn't want to set it and forget it and save big over time? Remember we talked about APY? With a higher APY from Chime Plus, boost your savings to achieve your goals even faster. If you're ready to put your savings to work, head to chime.com and open up a Chime savings account in just 2 minutes. We'll see you there. For more Chime tips and tricks, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/chime.